come to the fourth question of exercise 3.4. Name the quadrilaterals whose diagonals bisect each other, are perpendicular bisectors of each other, are equal. So this question having three parts. The first part, name the quadrilaterals whose diagonals bisect each other. We have seen in the case of a square, rectangle and rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other. See, in the square ABCD, there are two diagonals. Here we can say if this point of intersection of diagonals is O, then we can say AO equal to OC and the BO equal to OD. Similarly, in the case of a rectangle ABCD, we can say there are two diagonals, and if this is the point of intersection, then similar way we can say these two are equal and these two lengths are equal. And in the case of a rhombus, there are two diagonals, and here these two lengths would be equal and these two lengths would be equal. Right? Therefore, in square, rectangle and rhombus, diagonals bisect each other. Okay. Then the second part, name the quadrilaterals whose diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Here we can see in the case of a square, the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. This angle would be 90 degrees. Similarly, this angle would be 90 degrees. Angle AOD, angle AOB, angle COB, all are 90 degree. Right? And here in the rectangle, we cannot say these angles are 90 degree. And in the case of a rhombus also, you can see these angles are 90 degree. All these proof we have done in the previous videos. You can go back and check it. So which are the quadrilaterals having the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other in the case of a square and a rhombus, right? So second answer, in square and rhombus, diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Now third one, name the quadrilaterals whose diagonals are equal. We have seen in the case of square and a rectangle, the length of the diagonal should be equal. Here AC equal to BD and here BD equal to AC. Okay, so in the case of a square and a rectangle, the diagonals are equal. Okay, in square and rectangle, the diagonals are equal.